Hey, it's Isaac and Jamie here from FoundSpace. We're here in Brighton today doing a barrel install, and we're just going to let you in on the process.
What you're seeing here isn't even the first steps. The first part of a barrel install is we greet the customer and get to know them a little bit. We make sure they have a safe pathway through the house or sometimes down the side of the house. We make sure our shoes are clean if we're going through the house, and then we get to work carrying in all the pieces from the FoundSpace ute to the location of the sauna. Next, we start installing each piece of solid cedar wood one by one, slowly making our way up the side. Next, we strap the barrel down and start installing the bitumen waterproofing shingles. One of us gets to work on the inside and one on the outside. I've always preferred doing the outside. Barrel installs are really fun because we're outside in the elements, and the installation process is the best part of the customer journey at FoundSpace, the exciting moment they get their sauna. Once we finish up assembling the sauna, we test all the components, turn it on for the first heat up, and push it into place if we have to. Lastly, we run the customer through everything they need to know about how to use the sauna, the aftercare, maintenance, and we then leave them with their brand new FoundSpace barrel.